Hello people, today I want to show us how you can drive in the rain if the air conditioning system in your car is faulty. As such, the air conditioning system say is not working properly and you're driving and it's raining like I am now, and you see that visibility is poor. I cannot see the oncoming vehicle or even passers-by on the road clearly. So if the air condition normally or ordinarily turning on the air conditioner in the car can clear up this, and then you have a clearer view as you drive. Now you can see even the oncoming vehicles. I don't have a clear view. I don't have a good view of vehicles and passers-by. So I've just parked, by the way. Meanwhile, I'm not driving. I'm stationary now. So say the air conditioning system of your car is faulty. You are not having it's not working properly. That is, it's not working properly. So this kind of situation, you probably may not need air conditioning. The air conditioning system or the air conditioner itself to clear the front windscreen and even the side windscreen. You can see my side windscreen is filled with condensation. The front windscreen, the main windscreen, is also filled. Even the side windscreen is also filled with condensation. You can see a vehicle just passed. I'm not having a good view of either passers-by or oncoming vehicle, and the air conditioning is not in good shape. It's not in good shape. So condensation has taken place. Meanwhile, condensation is a change of the physical state of matter from the gas phase to liquid phase. So if you look at it, you see right on the screen, see droplets of somewhat liquid. Okay, ordinarily, even if you use your finger or a little bit of cloth, you can clear it up, but that's not really encouraged. Sometimes you see some people, some motorists or some drivers, they use their fingers or their hand or some piece of cloth to clear while they're on the way and it's raining. However, every car is equipped with a defrogger in your car. In your own car, whatever model it is, you'll see this sort of button. Mine, this is underaccord. This is underaccord. So in the underaccord, the EX model, I have this button. But whatever it is, that is the model of your car, you have a button that looks like this. This is it. That's the button you need to look out for in your car, and that's what you need. So this is how you can use it to clear off your screen, to have a clear view when it's raining and the air conditioner is not working, is not in good shape. Okay, you can simply turn on the fan or the blower, whatever you decide to call it. Turn it on, maybe to the mid-level or high level, whichever you choose. After you do that, see, my air conditioning button is off. Then I'll go to this is the defroster, the defogger button. So you depress it, you see, the light comes on. The flow of air direction has changed. There's no air coming out here. Then here, see, air is coming out of this vent. The center vent, I can't feel any air coming out. Also, the air vent at the side of the driver, as the driver's beside the steering, I can feel air coming out. But you see, in a moment you'll discover that I'm getting a little bit of clearer view gradually. So what is happening is that there is flow of air in and out of the car, thereby trying to maintain, thereby trying to maintain a sort of temperature equilibrium or equality between the inside of the car and outside of the car. Okay, now you see, with the aid of the wiper, you can wipe off the water outside. Meanwhile, the inside is clearer now. See, I have a clearer view. So I see vehicles that are passing by. See, I have a clear view of vehicles passing by. So you see, in no time, visibility has improved. Visibility has improved. I can see clearly. So this is how you can take care of condensation and improve the clarity or improve vision while you are driving in the rain. And the air conditioning system of your car is faulty. You can use the defroster button. The defroster button, here it is. Okay, and that will take care of clearing off the condensation that is so formed in the car. I hope this helps somebody outside. That is, you don't necessarily need the AC, the air conditioning system, to be in to be functioning fully before you can clear off your screen when it's working. But however, you must know that the air conditioning compressor must also be in good shape, because that is what is actually working together with the blower to take care of this. So you don't necessarily need to turn on the air conditioning system, whether it's good or bad. I have to add that whether it's good or bad, you don't necessarily need to turn it on in order to clear your screen or the windscreen. The windscreen when it is raining, or if you are driving in the rain, you don't necessarily need this air conditioning button. The defroster button, or the defogger button can do the magic. To turn it off, you can just go to any of these other buttons, and then see, now it has gone off, and then the flow of air has changed. Now here there is air coming out. This other one too, air is still coming out. The air vent by the driver's side, air is still coming out, and then the one by the passenger side too, air is still coming out. So that's basically how you can use. Now this button, like I said earlier, in some models, in some make and some models of car, it may not just be a button standing on its own. It might be on any of the it might be placed in any side. So you can probably see it on the steering switch, okay, or somewhere around. So I hope that this is useful and helpful to somebody out there. Thank you for your time.